In this video, I'm going to show you how users can transfer money between wallets. Now, this can be between their own personal wallets if they have multiple, or wallets of other users. So what we're going to do is navigate over to wallets on the left-hand side over here. And then we're going to go to setup. And the one thing that you want to make sure is enabled in order to allow for this sort of thing to happen is wallet to wallet. You want to make sure that this setting is enabled. This is going to allow for wallet to wallet transfers to happen within your system. So once you've enabled that setting, go ahead and hit save. And now we're going to navigate back to our wallets area. So here we have Betty White, and Betty has got $150 in her US dollar account over here. So we can click into this and we can get the account details. We can go ahead and copy those account details, but we don't actually want to transfer this money from her US dollar account into her US dollar account. Instead, what we want to do is get Jack's account. So she's gotten Jack's account and he's given her her account number. So we're going to click into this US dollar account, grab those account details. So we're going to copy those. Then we're going to close those. Then we're going to log in as Betty. So I am already logged in as Betty in an incognito window. So I'm just going to navigate over to her area. And then what I'm going to do is click on transfer. Now, if a user wanted to find their own account details, what they would do is click into the wallet, they would click on settings, and they would be able to grab their account number over there. So that is how a user would be able to find their own account number to share with other users. So we're going to cancel that and we are going to come here and we're going to transfer some money into Jack Black's account. So to do that, we're going to click transfer. We're going to select the amount. Let's say we just want to transfer 25 US dollars and we want to select a new recipient and we want to choose the wallet type. Now, the reason we're able to choose the wallet type is because wallet to wallet transfers are enabled. So I'm going to select the wallet type. I'm going to paste in Jack Black's account number, and you'll see that we're given all the details. We're given the account holder, Jack Black, his account number, and the currency of that wallet. We then say, I understand that I can lose my money if these bank account details are incorrect, and we hit save. We can then add a description, so we can just say, I like Jack. And then we can transfer that 25 US dollars. Now we're going to be asked for an OTP. So we can request that OTP, and that is then going to be sent to their email inbox. Now, I obviously do not have access to Betty's inbox, but I do have access to my own outbox. So I'm going to navigate to the admin area. And then I'm just going to come here to Messenger quickly, and I'm going to grab that message from the outbox. And let's grab that OTP and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here in Betty's side. All right, and I'm going to hit confirm. All right, so now that money has been transferred and I can hit continue. And now I want to check that on Jack's side. So what I'm going to do is simply navigate back to the admin area and I'm going to come here to my wallets. And if I click into Jack's wallet, you will see that he now has 25 US dollars in his wallet. And there's that little description, I like Jack. All right, but another thing that we can do is transfer money between our own wallets. So if I navigate back to Betty's side and I click into this account, I can say that I would like to transfer money from this wallet into another wallet. So let's say I want to transfer it into my GBP wallet over here. What I will do is click on settings, copy this account number, and then go back here, click into my US dollar wallet and choose my amount. Let's say I want to transfer another $25 and I'm going to select a new recipient. I'm going to select the wallet. I'm going to put that information in there. You will see that it is my account, Betty's account, and the account number and the currency that it is being transferred in. And I understand the risks of this and I hit save. I can then put in a description, I'm going to say self, and I'm going to transfer that money. And again, I'm going to request that OTP, going to navigate back to the admin area and grab that OTP from the outbox. So it is this one over here. Let's grab that OTP, navigate back here, paste that in, hit confirm. and say continue. Now that has been transferred into her GBP account. So you'll see that that has been transferred and it has the exchange rate applied to it. So it's automatically been exchanged into the correct currency. So that is how users can transfer money between wallets. In the next video, I'm going to show you how users can transfer their money into their bank accounts. I'll see you there.